within a few days or weeks after hurricane or a storm, you can get enough clear water to let it go on.
Yeah.
That's what the water is there. The water is there. That's a major product where if you touch processing, you have to touch water. You have to touch water. When everything else might fail, I can guarantee water.
Thank you for the piece.
Yeah, you can guarantee water. Yeah. So, that's just another item in the mix. Yeah. But, thing about it, you go up and down the scale in terms of visualizing and trying to reach to a point where, me personally, an action point. A point of action. You don't like talk one night and when you're done. Tomorrow morning.
You understand it?
Yeah. If I was doing something.
But a closure now.
Yeah.
Closure.
Yes. You're not special closure, but yes, that's what it takes time on,
Yeah.
The action point.
Yeah.
That's it, it's like.
In conclusion.
Yeah. Whatever I was carrying with me, I try to take it to another step, another level. So, we start talking about the CD and a proposal. Proposal really, as I was saying, is generally what we have been speaking about from the higher start in terms of food processing and getting a food line going. I don't like putting eggs in one basket.
Yeah.
And this guy we talked to from our states, big one thing, he give us some reason where sound good, but then you see punctuality and being a man to your work. That means I want it to be even more than sometimes you read documents. Believe me. Because if I can trust your word, the written document being as significant as it may be in terms of business and processes and what have you, I put more value on being able to trust the word, personally speaking. It's like if you can't trust your word, you don't want to do business with you. You understand me? You don't want your company. You understand me? You don't need to be your company.
It's Scarface said, all a man's got is work.
Yeah, boss. You understand me? So, simple things, as much as we sit down and we talk big things, I say a simple thing that you say you have to do, and you don't live up to your word, you kind of get me. Start trying to put some more eggs in some other baskets. You understand?
Yeah.
So anyways, move on from the Friday yesterday when we said we speak a couple weeks about that. That thing about, I had it in my mind before now. And it is like the boiling point, it's coming right up to the boiling point. It's China. China. Because I mean, makes sense to believe about China.
No man, dragging that to
You understand me?
dragging that war.
China beats now, brother, because we are fool if we don't have China.
Clear up.
You understand what I'm saying?
Can't stop China.
Yeah, if you're not say China, you're not thinking international. You understand? You're not thinking money, you're not thinking
Why Africa can't do like a China? Africa can't, Africa.
Hold on.
Why China? Communists know still, man. Why them so
hold on, I want you to think historical. Get in a historical view. You see? Africa being so ancient and still
from that Can we say that, my
Yeah, you know, and the thing about it, like,
the amount are different.
yeah.
Yeah. One civilization.
The era different. And the thing about it, what we tend to do as human beings is to step away from our history and try to find new places to recreate ourselves. It's like we have experienced all our sorrows and disappointments and heartache and things like that. We tend to know and stay this up. That's why Africa is so desolate. The most blessed places in the world. Upper Sudan. If you ever get have you seen visuals of them places?
Sudan, yeah man, I'm pretty sure.
I'm going to tell you something, man.
Yeah.
If you sit down and get a half-hour view of Upper Sudan, man, you know what is paradise. And yet still, it is uninhabited. You understand me? And over time, maybe the weather, the climate has something to do with its present state in terms of sun. But the wealth of the land is still there in terms of the landscape. But civilization is from Sudan because this is what I experienced in myself. Where I have lived and I've experienced bad experiences. I don't want to live this all. I don't want to see this. I want to be somewhere new where we can start a new life and you know, hopes of a community of people where, you know, a utopia the farmer's mind, you can, you know, come nearer to it, you know, see, if you got to move again, at least every move the experiences of the last place, you know, carry it on, you know, to do better, or you know what to expect or what, you know. So, you know, that is the Africa part, right?
Yeah. So it's my life.
Yeah. But, you know, not to drift from the topic too much.
Yeah. Sorry, you know, so many questions too.
After me, you know, 50 December,
Yeah.
Still not financially successful in terms of not in my bank account right now. You understand? About many. You know, see? The president not dollar high down that pillar. You know, see? Yeah. As the money come and the money go. You know, see?
And your family too.
Yeah.
I want things to live. I respect that.
Poor people like that over. Saving is a funny thing. We have to save it as some funny ways. We can't save cash so easy. But you know you have a little family around you and hungry and live them. And you have the money hide off from this. And you still don't watch your family and suffer like 2-3 days hungry. Yes, I take it.
But why is that? When we talking about farms and we're talking about growing, why Jamaica?
Yeah.
Land of so much, you can go 18 years. Same thing we talking about. Why is it?
Yeah,
so
culture, I don't know.
Food, water, shelter.
Culture, man. You see, exposure
Things you're gonna take care. There's no way you're gonna get. Yeah.
You see, export. No, what? You see, exposure to the Hollywood dream world life.
That's the Western culture.
Fantasy.
Western culture.
They pinpoint it
And we start from the original English.
but it goes deeper than that. What Hollywood has done has dramatized it, fantasized it, expounded it, emulated it. Hollywood has done everything to the fantasy world that the Western civilization has tended to forge, you know? That fantasy world, that you know, bliss on earth. Yeah, bliss on earth, yes. But, I mean, we are also with antiques. Antique automobiles and a garage with the most up to date, you know, and mansions here and there, and you know, one person. If you think about what all of these vanities take to be produced, and one person here, one person ownership, it's too much. Yeah, it's too much one person. And it's, you know, it's wasted energy. Wasted energy, you know see? Misguided energy, you know see? So it's all about the Western, that fantasy thing. It magnetizes, you know, because if we as youth, the TV and how we see it, them show they were dramatized, and you know, luxury and the fantasy life. Make it look so, you know, so beautiful. I mean, media then, back to media, brother. Media powerful, you know. I'm saying media is not about everything that you know.
Well, it's a consumer market, well, especially America's consumer market, man. And you buy what they want you to buy, straight up. You know? If you're into all of that, then you know.
Media is very powerful, influencing. You understand me?
Yeah, that's the only broadcasting in the world that, you know, newspaper, I'm saying, that's the most.
Yeah. So we have to direct most used media systems, which right now are cable and TV. I would say in terms of visual, cable system, network, that give you a range of, cable network. Because TV and CVM are limited Jamaican. But locally, not everybody have cable. So between the cable and the TV, in Jamaica, I would say that is the, you know, most influential media system right now. So, this is what I'm saying. The up-to-date method of proposals for seeking investment capital right now is visuals and CDs that can, within a few minutes, can captivate the audience. So, hearing that you are a video
web thing on the internet still.
I don't know, leave the road in terms of genius on the other side, you know, expand my idea.
That's really,
if we can, you know, you're not getting money, you just make it, money unlimited, I tell you. Unlimited. I don't want you to go. We need money, but we need the other security, you know? The other type of security right now, can make up for you.
The sister always said, money is a necessity, money is a reality. But,
no, I can tell you something about myself, but born and bred in Jamaica. He's a Sagittarian, as well as sense.
You're a Sag? Sagittarius.
Just a born a philosopher, you know? And, you know, you think about it. You teach about God as a youth. And you're a child and up there, you listen, you believe, you know? But then again, the same culture teach you to be a man and start to think for yourself. Human civilization has brought us to this level. So started to think for myself now. First of all, we started to say, wait, what the head there? I know my head. Saturday time they call me and care about what they want to do with it. You understand me? Straight to the barber and take barber house, what shape, how low. You understand me? So I know my head. So first of all, any day that I'm able to have total control of this head of mine, that will be the first day that I can say, I am who I am. I'm not somebody else. Understand? Then I have to learn to develop on that, work on that, because you've been grown as all your life as what society expects you to be.